Hello, Dr. Liam Schubel reporting to you live from Rotorua in New Zealand. Check it out, September 17th and 18th. It's going to be smoking! We've got the IFCO, International Federation of Chiropractors and Organizations, is having their first global summit in Lima, Peru. Oh man, this is going to be good. I got to tell you, New Zealand, I just saw Reggie Gold speaking. He's going to be there at Lima, Peru. We've got the president of New Zealand Chiropractic College, Eric Russell, the president of Life West College, Brian Kelly, the president of Sherman College, the center of the chiropractic universe, Dr. John Schwartzbauer. Man, and we got over 20 other speakers talking about how we're going to take over the world with TIC. Oh man, this is good. Check it out. Register right now. September 17th and 18th. It's the birthday of chiropractic. Where the heck else are you going to be? Lima, Peru. Man, woman, let's make it happen. www.ifcochiro.org. Put it on your calendar and make it happen. Register right now. Be a part of the solution, not a part of the apathetic problem that we have going on. Come on, join the Schubelnator in Lima, Peru, September 17th and 18th. I'll see you there. Register now.